Okay.
I'm making my first sushi.
Angel is making her first sushi.
Sushi.
She likes sushi very, very much. And there's the sushi rice.
You could buy it at Oceans.
Okay. What's this? Seaweed?
Yeah.
And there's a bamboo. Hold that.
You threw out the seasoning.
And here are the ingredients.
What are the ingredients, Mom?
Yep. Avocado,
Crab sticks.
crab sticks, and cucumber. Okay.
I'm bad at this. Mommy, stop filming me.
Make it nice. Your.
I didn't even want to. Wow.
Pit mo. Yan. Makukonscious siya pa mo
I'm conscious. You have to keep. Wait, Mom.
Yeah.
Okay, and there's more. That's a lot of rice.
Nakuya kayong space, no?
Wait.
Wait.
What?
Pull it out.
Okay.
Okay. That's enough. And naman ka na magsara.
Okay.
Okay, put all your ingredients.
What are my ingredients, Mom?
Yeah. Cucumber.
That are made into tiny.
Yeah. Did you wash your hands?
Mom, I just did. Before we rolled the camera.
Okay.
My mom
Next are
crab sticks.
crab sticks.
You
Put
just
some.
said it. Mom.
There you go. Hurry up. The avocado.
Mom.
It's like avocado.
Can you not put this on Facebook?
The avocado.
Don't put this on Facebook.
No, Tita Isa want to see it.
Mommy, don't put it. Just
And
email
Tita
me.
Mac.
Mommy.
Tita Mac is
It's her
she's a
birthday.
chef.
And it's Tita Mac's birthday soon.
Okay, now roll BTR.
No.
Not yet.
Put this
Which
to
one?
make it sweeter.
Okay, put it. You have
Dab.
your own.
Dab.
Okay, dab.
Let's put it close.
Dab.
Wow. That's so easy. Wow.
Kaya ba ganyan, dilatan mo yung daliri mo? Okay. Show is washing. She's washing.
Mommy, always wash my hands. Don't
Hurry up. Anyway, ikaw mangang ka. Hurry up. Roll it. Roll. DTR.
Mommy? You do.
Roll it. Kahin-hin po. Tight. Kain me. Paka-press. Paka-press me.
Yeah,
Press
I'm
it.
okay with it.
Hard. Press it hard. Mitin niya kaya toyo yung kaya mo. Press it hard. Humira siya ka. Okay. Roll. Okay, press.
Mom, you have to make it hard.
Yeah. Another roll.
Another press.
Another press. Press conference.
Mommy.
Stop filming. Okay, more.
Please. Okay.
One
more.
One more.
One.
May danong na rin customer.
I thought this was called my first sushi, Mom.
Yeah. Sample only. Sample.
Mommy, don't put this on Facebook.
Hurry up. I'm just gonna sell it to Tita Isa. and Tita Mac.
How pretty
Oh
is
dear.
No, I'm gonna make it more.
Pretty pa. Hey, oo na, anong customer mo? Oh. Here's the first customer.
It's a baby.
The first customer. Oh, sorry. Ay! Masaling God, ay customer. Oh, tatabog niya pa mga. Oy! Sige yan, Jer. Tatabog niya. Ay.
Looks weird.
Looks weird.
Looks weird. Looks weird, Mom.
Got it big.
I know. It doesn't have to be, Mom. I want more slices to eat.
Pati nanay ng oras gigil yan. There you go. Wow. Perfect.
No, it's not. Oh. I need caviar.
What?
Caviar.
Caviar yan.
Mommy, don't put this on first.
Finished product.
It's not finished yet.
Oh, how many? 1, 4, 5. Make it 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's 8. Oh, may itong oras dito. Kapurol na naman. Kapurol na naman yung kutulyo ngayon.
Mommy! I do not have a sushi knife. Mom!
Wow, nice.
Can I just
Okay,
eat
then.
this? There's
Tastes
no
good.
rice at the
Huwag
end.
na mo eh, madaguleng kayo.
He is opening. I told you, Mom. This is...
Okay, kaya kanya yan.
Oh.
That's your free.
Okay, this is mine.
Wow, nice.
Oh.
And taste.
No.
Yeah, till miss. Oh, I mean,
big
it means
cheese.
and then taste it. Siyempre, pamatakawan mo ring manalbe. Okay. Taste.
It's so yummy. Okay. Mommy, you're gonna video me eating sushi. You're serious? Ah, no. It's too like.
O sige, lalong, bite it.
Don't video me. Mommy, I said don't video me.
Dalutan mo
It's
kalma na.
so big. It's big.
So, booming on wari yan.
Wow.
Dalasan mo na. Okay, that's it. Tastes good. Yum, yum.